There are many women out there who wishes and fantasies of having that perfect 10/10 nails, which they can flaunt by wearing the latest and trendiest nail enamels or going for that latest nail art. While most of us ignore our nails, chew on them and don't often give them enough nourishment, which in turn causes them to turn yellow and brittle. Today in this video, I will share some quickie and affordable home remedies to get them looking their best. Take a teaspoon of olive oil and infuse it with few drops of lemon juice. Now take small portions of this mixture and apply it on your nails and massage it. Let it remain overnight and wear soft hand gloves after massage so that your nails aren't exposed to water. Do this at least twice a week for better results. Mix 2 tablespoons of fine-grain sea salts in a small bowl of warm water and add 2 drops of wheat germ oil, frankincense oil and few drops of lemon oil. In this solution soak your nails for approx 10 to 15 minutes and rinse it off with warm water. Now pat dry and apply a hand cream. Repeating this procedure thrice a week can give good results. Mashed avocado mixed rose water also acts as a nourishing nail soak. Brittle and dull nails get nourished and moisturized by following this nail soak regularly. Well-nourished nails are the key to shiny nails.